Hi guys, welcome to Good Times. Today we'll be doing a unboxing video, you should say, on Graze. We have never tried this before, which is
we're not really like dried fruit and nut kind of people, are we?
I've watched lots of videos sponsored by Graze.
Have you?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna see if we're gonna enjoy it.
It's like dried fruit. I think I've heard one with peanut butter in it. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my mum.
I think that they know me now. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, sorry. Right. Doing this proper sound. Olden times, you don't need scissors.
Olden times, they didn't have all this plastic.
No, don't put it in that. Right. You gotta be the first one to see it. Alright.
That's cute.
So, ooh.
What's this?
Ooh.
That's me. Welcome, Stacey. That's
her name. So, which one do you want to try first? Ooh. There is Smokehouse Veggie Protein Power, which sweet chili, broad beans, hickory smoked almonds, and roasted pumpkin seeds. That.
very nice.
Alright. So we'll save that one till last. I hate spicy food. I'll save that one. Ooh, what's this one? Belgian speculoos dipper. Cinnamon pretzel sticks with a creamy Belgian speculoos cookie dip. So you know, like them dunkers you should say, where you have like this like garlic thing and like dunk it into cheese.
Good.
It's that with I think it's cinnamon pretzel sticks with Belgian speculoos cookie dip.
Speculoos. Right.
There it is.
What else have we got going on?
There's like a lot of things, so you have allergic, so there will be on it.
You don't have any allergies, so
No.
we're all right.
We have Cocoa Paradise, Belgian milk chocolate drops, coconut flakes, and dried cranberries. Not having any of the cranberries, but the other stuff.
That sounds nice.
So that's that. Here's the back of it so you can see it properly, all the stuff in there. I should do that with the others two ones. There then. There at the back of them. And the best, Jaffa Cake. Belgian dark chocolate orange infused sultans and roasted hazelnuts. Jaffa Cake. I'll give you a minute to read that if you didn't hear me. And then that's the back of it with all the stuff. So, oh, look, actually says stuff in it, like happy Graze snacking, question ideas, you deserve a reward. Go there right now. You deserve a reward, and then head to graze.com to find one.
Should we start trying some of these?
Snack Array is the last one. So that's the box, that's the packaging that came in. So, we're going to do this old technology style. So, this one will be one.
Do you really want to eat? I'm going to say you don't want to eat that last because you want to have some like chocolatey taste after.
So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have an Alexa. We have tons around the house. I don't think you can see it. There you go. She does see it. Is it Amazon? What is it? Amazon's
Echo Show.
Amazon Echo Show, so it literally shows a picture. So, Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 4.
Your random number between 1 and 4 is 4.
Oh.
Cocoa Paradise.
Up a little bit.
Oh.
Just a little bit. Yeah, you would have heard it.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, she said 4.
4. So that is the Cocoa Paradise. I put these to the side. And
Right, so I think you have to have, to be honest, Bailey, a bit of each to get like the full thing. So we get a little bit of chocolate, bit of what's this? Coconut, and a bit of cranberry.
The dry cranberry.
Yeah.
Yeah, dry cranberry,
and just eat it all
coconut
at once,
flakes.
mate.
To be honest, I don't really like cranberries. It's one of my least favourite fruit.
Oh no, it's nice.
Go for it. Oh.
That's a treat. Ooh.
More.
That's really nice.
I like the coconut flakes.
Quite nice.
You know what it tastes like? Bounty.
It does a bit, but then I like the cranberry, to be quite honest.
Cranberry has that it zings the taste into your mouth. That's what it tastes like.
You're right.
Alright, so Jaffa Cake's 1, Smokehouse is 2. The Belgian Speculoos Dipper. Oh my god. It's like, it's literally, it's coming to all little bits in the can. Okay. There we go. Alexa, pick a number between 1 and 3.
Your random number between 1 and 3 is 3.
Ooh.
Oh, I want to save this
Get
one
a
for
dipper.
last. Alright. I'm going to choose this one next because I want a chocolate taste at the end.
Okay.
Oh, we'll let Alexa
That
choose
makes
it.
sense.
No, we'll let Alexa choose it. So,
So I'm going to take it all off. I'll put it back on.
oh yeah.
So, what's this? Cinnamon and cookie dip.
Oh, it smells disgusting.
Does it smell disgusting?
Well,
No, it smells like Christmas.
mine, yours. Yeah, this is only between us two. Riley and Scott ain't getting none of this.
No. I'm not going to munch them all.
Scott's Scott's the little sister that you saw in those sixth birthday.
I'll let people try things. Right. That was good.
Best one so far.
Belgian Speculoos Dipper. Winner.
What?
So,
Which one?
smokehouse. And then we've got this lovely dark Belgian.
And then we'll bring Riley and Scott in a minute for the other ones.
I don't think we'll be on board with that, mate. I don't know anything about that.
Well, I
Right.
think Scarlett will. So let's read these. Sweet chili broad beans.
Do you know what? I'm
which I
not
think
into
are
this myself. You know, roasted pumpkin. I just don't feel into it. But I'll do it.
them. We're all in this together.
Come on then.
You are, actually. Well, did you get pumpkin seed?
What's this? I'm eating right now.
This is a sweet chili broad bean.
No, it's not. This is an almond.
Oh. Hickory smoked almonds.
That's alright. I don't really like to eat almonds. I broke my tooth on an almond once.
Right, so this is all fruit. I'm gonna go.
It's alright, you know.
Scared.
The pumpkin definitely tastes like the smell of pumpkin.
Yeah.
But it's alright.
Alright, Luke. I like the chili broad beans.
Les is here.
Oh!
Maybe Les will try some. I don't
Les?
think he'll want to be on board. Yeah.
Yeah. Filming a video.
Filming a video. We're nearly done. We've just got one more to try.
Right.
Last one.
Jaffa cake. Belgian dark chocolate.
Babe, try some of these.
Yeah, you're gonna get
I'll
his
let you wash your
reaction.
hands and stuff.
Yeah.
Let you get him.
Oh, it actually smells disgusting.
Is it? I don't know. Do you know what? I don't feel like I can be disappointed. The other ones have been alright.
I'm not gonna try them.
You are. Get a nut and get a salt corner.
You get raisin.
Are you ready?
Get raisin.
Yeah, that's what sultana is. That's
Oh.
similar.
What are these?
They're going to be hazelnuts, I think.
Roasted hazelnuts.
Yeah. Right, you ready?
Oh.
I do it.
Right.
I'm not gonna lie, right? I really didn't think I was gonna enjoy anything out of this box. And I love all of it. I absolutely love all of it.
Now, let's do
I'll
something.
stop it.
We're going to do a random number between 1 and 4, and that's when you get to keep and eat all of it to yourself. And I get to do that one too.
Right,
Between
you
the
just
other
do that because I don't want them all going out like that, so I've got...
Alexa, choose a number between 1 and 4.
Your random number between 1 and 4 is 3.
God!
Ah! Enjoy!
No, it's 1, 2, 3. Right, let me have one more try. It's my video. My video, my rules.
What? That's a bit like...
Alexa, choose a random number between 1 and 3.
4.
Your random number between
yeah,
1
yeah,
and
4,
3 is 3.
Alexa, choose a random number between 1 and 4.
Your random number between 1 and 4 is 4.
Alright, I'll take these.
Right.
I got the Belgian specular dipper, but I will let no one have this, but it's all mine, no one else is trying this, goodbye.
Graze is here today.
Scarlett, do the bean video and try this.
Okay.
These are cinnamon things, and this is, I think it's like chocolate fudge. Alright, so put that, dip a little bit in, because this is mine. Yep, that's good. Taste it.
I should have got some munchies, but
That's good.
Right. Do you want to try it by yourself?
so good.
No, rest of mine.
I might go back to chocolate because I'm missing.
Alright, Scott, do you want to try the other 3?
There's a spider, but it's not doing any harm.
We're going to go get the other 3 for Scott.
That's because I was